All right, everyone, need your attention. Operators just received a 911 call from an individual within an apartment complex in St. Uriel this morning, detailing a brewing hostage situation. It seems that Michael Williams has barricaded himself in his apartment along with his brother DeMarcus. He also shot and killed his mother, Cassandra Williams. The call was brief, but gave us information regarding his potential mental state.
Has anyone tried to regain contact with Michael?
The call bounced when attempted, and calls from negotiators outside have fallen on deaf ears. It sounds like Michael may be firing a weapon inside his room, and we've received multiple reports of gunfire from other individuals within the complex. The building has a single entry through the main atrium. There's also a second entry point through a fire escape nearby, which should allow quick access to the other levels without exposure to your teams within the atrium. The watch commander is on scene and has patrol holding perimeter positions. Thames is staging at the command post. Currently, they're awaiting our arrival to make entry, as the situation has been deemed dangerous, given no communication can be established.
Do we know of any other threats within this space?
Michael's apartment is number 14, and so far we've managed to confirm that rooms 16, 11, and 12 are all currently inhabited but closed off. Those residents have either been evacuated or are sheltering in place. However, we were unable to make contact with apartments 13 and 15, both of which are under the ownership of Michael Williams at this time. It is unknown if he is still barricaded with his family in 14 or has moved into one of the other rooms to ambush. We are not aware of any other threats. It seems to just be one guy. All right, let's roll.
I got you.
Element, this is Talk. The active shooters aren't willing to cooperate. Move in.
Talk.
All teams, move in and
Talk to
clear
lead.
it.
Medical assistance is standing by.
Out the way, sir.
Going in!
Opening on the right.
Police, come out! Get out of there, now!
Hands up!
Get down, I want to see hands!
Put your hands where I can see them!
Blue team, move and clear.
I got nothing here. I'll back to check it.
Stay down and turn around. Don't move. Stay put.
Hey, I just want to go home.
This is
Get
Talk.
up and good to go.
Proceed with mission.
Red. Check the threshold.
No
Get a
contact.
door and move in.
All right. Let's clear over here, boss.
Entry team to talk. Bagging it up.
Talk to Element. Secure the area and we'll send forensics in.
Blue. Provide support.
Behind you.
Post up right side. Roger that.
Door is good.
Ran the door. Deploy flashbang.
Reaching. Opening.
We got a suspect here in need of medical attention.
This is Talk. Thames notified.
Lights out. Looks clear over here, boss. Safe. Good to go.
Ready to go.
Come out slowly!
Suspect cuffed and secure.
Come out with your hands up! LSPD, don't move!
Brains, go fuck yourself. Calm down, I'm listening.
Hands up! Drop to your knees! Hands up! Above your head!
Stay here.
Am I being charged? What?
Element to
What?
talk. Civilian good to go for evac.
When was
Doc
the last
to
time
Element.
you offered
Trailers en route.
anything?
Move in and clear.
Affirmative.
Moving!
Opening on the right over here. No contacts.
Get down and don't Put your hands up! LSPD, put your hands up!
Light out.
Turn around, don't get up. Stay calm.
Hey, asshole, not me.
Lead the talk. Civilian cuffed and ready for trailers.
Doc to entry team. Send them.
Split the stack and provide cover.
Out of the way, sir. You're in my spot. Door's locked.
Take it down and clear.
Taking it down.
Move, move, move!
Got an opening up
Opening on the right.
Police, hands up! I'm not going. They're down! Down on the ground! Move! Get down on your knees!
Entry team to talk. Threat is down.
Doc reporting. Continue with your mission.
Shit!
Zipped up and good to go.
This is protocol.
Secured.
I'll bag it.
Good to go.
Did my brother
Evidence
do
secured.
something?
Entry team to talk. Civilian cuffed and ready for trailers.
Won't even help Mom? Wait, what the fuck?
Enter and clear.
Getting into position.
Going in! Get down! Don't reach for anything!
Put your fucking
We have a
hands up!
suspect down here. Need Thames ASAP.
Entry team, this is Doc. Notifying Thames.
I'll save it. Nothing. Making it securing.
Begin a search. Secure any contacts. Element to talk. Evidence bagged.
Doc here. Secure it and keep going.
Talk. Collecting evidence.
Doc to entry team. Collect what you can and keep moving.
On me. Move.
Got your back.
You got cover.
Weapon!
Entry team to talk. They're down.
Doc here. Notifying medical.
They're down.
Search and secure.
On it. Element to talk. Suspect is down, but breathing.
Lead, this is Doc.
Got him.
Clean
Evidence
house.
good to go.
We'll take them out.
Secured.
Fall in behind me.
I'm with you.
Police, down on the ground!
Flying officer, I'm not one
I
of
got
them.
it. Listen to me. I have to leave the cuffs on. Civilian ready to go. Element to talk. Good to go.
Entry team, this is Doc. Continue mission.
Going into securing. Making it safe.
Element, this is Doc. Put them on safe and let them hang. Great job.